Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up AWS RDS database for MySQL version number 8.0.41. Then we will connect from the MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. First connect to AWS console with your credentials. Then search for RDS. Then click on Aurora on RDS. Then click on DB instances or databases. Either is fine. Click on it. Then click on create database. Then see here we have the two methods. Easy create and standard create. Okay, I am going with standard create. Then select this is Aurora MySQL compatible. Okay, but select the MySQL. Then if you scroll down, see edition is MySQL community and select the engine version. See here we have the versions up to 8.0.41 and 8.4.4. So in this video we are going to create the AWS RDS MySQL database instance for 8.0.41. Okay, then here we have to select the templates like production development or free trial. Okay, so it is up to you. Based on this selection, cost will change. Okay, for this demo purpose, I am going with free trial. Okay, but the process is same, but only few options are not available for this free trial. Okay, see, once you selected free trial, these two options are grayed out. Okay, only single AZDB instance deployment is available. Okay, then provide the DB instance identifier. This is the instance name. So I am giving RDS MySQL 8.0. Then master username, you can provide anything, but it must be between 1 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Okay, so use admin. I am fine. I am okay with the admin. Remember this one. Then provide the password for this admin account. This is required to connect. Okay. So provide this strong password. See, the password must not contain these letters. That's why I am getting errors. So confirm the same. Okay, now scroll down, then instance configuration. See here, for free trial eligible, only this T3 micro and T4 micro instance types are available. So I'm going with T4 micro and it contains 2 CPUs and 1 GB RAM. 1 GB RAM. Then storage, see, you can give the memory. I'm going with general purpose SSD only. I'm not going to change these two. Additional configuration I'm going, okay. See, for connectivity, do not connect to, it is up to you. If you want to connect from the EC instance also, then you have to select the type of instances. I don't have any EC2 instances. IPv4 network type, then virtual private network. See, don't have anything, so it will create the new one. And here subnet group also, DB subnet group, it will create new public access, select yes, otherwise we won't be able to connect. Security group, see, it has selected default one, but if you want to create new one, you can select here. It is up to you. Then availability zones. Remaining options I am not going to change. And authentication here, see here, password authentication or password and IAM based database authentication or password and Kerberos authentication. I am going with only password authentication. Then monitoring I am not going to. If you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you can select here. Select all. Then if you are okay with additional configuration, like if you want to create initial database name, like I want to create this database. These are the parameters of the groups. DB parameters like enable automatic backup. See, the retention period is 1, but we can give up to 35 days. Okay. Backup. I am going to give the backup 7 days. Okay. Remaining I am not going to change anything. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on. See, review one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create database. Suggested add-ons for at this moment I don't want any one of these add-ons. Close. See, still status is creating. Refresh. Wait until status is available or running. click on DB identifier. See, we have this status, role, etc. information is there. Okay, security groups, subnets, and other information. Okay, we will come to this section later. If you want to see the credentials, you have to click on view credential details. Again, if you want to go back, click on databases, click on databases. See, status is still creating. See the message here, successfully created database. Okay, this is the identifier name. So click on it, close this connect. If you want to see the connection details, click on connection details. Then copy this endpoint or close this one. See here we have the endpoint and this is the default port for the MySQL. Okay, so copy this endpoint. Now open MySQL Workbench. If you want to install MySQL Workbench on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench on your system. Then click on this plus button. Then connection name, provide any name. I am giving any name. Then here in host name we have to paste that identifier name in the username, that is admin. Even if you have doubt, so click on this view connection. See, master username is admin. Then click on this password, master password. Go to here. Then click on store in vault. Paste that password. Click on OK. Then click on test connection. See, failed to connect MySQL. This one. Okay. See, this is the error that we have received. The first step is unable to connect. Okay. So go to here, close this one, click on this security group, then click on security group ID, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on save rules. Again go to here, then click on test connection. See, we have successfully connected. Click on OK, click on OK. Again click on this connection. See, we have successfully connected and we have created this database while creating the AWS RDS for MySQL. If you want to create tables, just create tables here. See, we don't have any tables, so it is not, so we are unable to expand. So create a table, create table. Select the query and click on execute. Now select the query and click on execute. Now select the query and click on execute. See, the errors are gone. Okay, even if you right click and refresh, see, now we are able to expand. See, here we have the table. Okay, also if you want to verify the version of the MySQL that we have connected, select version, select the query and click on execute. See, we have connected to MySQL 8.0.41. Okay, click on DB instances. Suppose if you want to stop, just click on, select this DB identifier and click on stop temporarily. If you want to reboot, click on reboot. If you want to delete permanently, you can reboot. See, here we have different options. Okay, and if you want to modify anything, just click on modify. See, we have different options here. Okay, go back to the databases, click on it. Still here also we got the same options. See, if you are not using, click on stop temporarily. If you are not using permanently, click on delete. Okay, based on usage charges will be there. Okay, so even we can also connect from the DBeaver. If you want to install DBeaver on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install DBeaver. See, this is the DBeaver. Click on this plus button, then select the MySQL, then click on next. Then here server host, you have to give this endpoint. Just you have to click on this button to copy. If you forgot the password, just click on modify. Then here we have to provide the new password. Okay, Now go to here. Username is admin and I have the database RDS schools. If you want to create some database, right click here, create schema, then provide the database name. Select it and click on apply. Click on apply. See, database is created. Click on finish. Now go to here, provide password. Then you have to click on test connection. This is the way to connect. Not only this, you can also connect from the command prompt, but you must have the MySQL client. Okay, as I told you, if you are not using, stop or delete it permanently. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create AWS RDS for MySQL 8.0.41 and connect it to it by using MySQL Workbench and DBeaver. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.